Hello everyone. We love Rakyo Pickles. And if you don't know why we love them, I will tell you. And at the same time, I will show you how to make Rakyo Pickles. Please stay tuned. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. In this channel, I will share with you what I know, so please share my video and subscribe to show your support. Thank you. So I have 1 kilogram of rakkyo. They are just like legs, alien onions. So we are very familiar with them in Asia. And recently, in the Western world, the people started to know them. So from the market, I brought home. Now I wash them. You can see after I wash them, they are a little whiter. And now I would go the next step. In my big bowl there is a water after I wash the rice. Now I add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 bowl of tapioca flour. The reason I do this liquid because I want to soak my rakkyo in them. You can soak them 12 hours or overnight because I couldn't manage to do same day, so I let them soak overnight. Rakkyo is very healthy and good for our health. It's antioxidant. It helps with digestion and blood circulation, lower cholesterol, and against cancer. So very good for our body. Now I cover and let it soak overnight. Now I will wash them. Remember, they are full of flowers right now. So I wash them thoroughly. And you will see. You see the murky liquid water? We need to wash them clean. You can see after I wash, they are a little whiter. And white pickles are what we aim to. It looks nice that way. So after I wash them, now I dry them. And remember that in this stage, we not dry them very much. I just dry them so that they not liquidy, but not so much sunshine on it. Because if you do, your pickle will be chewy, not crunchy. So I remove them from the sun after 2 hours of drying. Now I trim the top and the bottoms. The top are full of roots, so I remove all that roots and the top parts. And just like so. When you cut off the roots, please make sure that you don't cut too deep. If you cut too deep, the pickle might be rotten later on. But if you don't cut enough, they will have dark spots, and it don't look nice that way. So very careful about cutting the roots. Wherever you see the dry skin, remove them as well, because those, like I'm doing right now, those are very chewy if you leave them in the pickle. So continue doing so until you done with on the trimming and cutting and removing skins. Just like so, you can see it's look a lot better in comparison with the first stage, the beginning stage. Now I have 1 bowl of water, half bowl of vinegar, and half of sugar, and I mix them in a pan, and I boil them. I just boil them until the sugar dissolves, and I let it cool. And after that, I will soak the prepared rakkyo into it. Remember, this is depend on your preference. If you want to make pickle quickly, you can use warm liquid. But if you don't want them to be sour so quickly, you wait until the liquid is cool. And that's what I might go on, because up until New Year is a long way to go, about more than 20 days. So I don't want my pickle to be sour quickly. In the meantime, I cut up carrots and make incision and make a flour, and I dry them as well. You can see now my rakkyo is in the vinegar water for a day. Now I arrange them into the jar, and that is the last stage that we need to do. You can see that I arrange around the circle, and once in a while I put up a carrot flour. That way it will be more attractive looking. So you can arrange them in circle like I do, but you can just drop into the jar. So that's all I did with all my rakkyo. Now in the meantime, I cook 1 bowl of water, 1 bowl of sugar, 1 bowl of vinegar, and I let it cool, and then I pour that liquid into my prepared jar, and you close the lid and you wait until 7 days. They will be ready to eat. You can put in the fridge after that, and voila, we have pickles. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.